In a technical sense, you can complete this entire course just having R installed. However, many people find it's helpful to use a program called RStudio when programming in R. And in this lesson, I'm going to explain how to download RStudio. To install RStudio, simply visit rstudio.com. This is the RStudio website. If you're completely new to R, everything you see here might actually be confusing to you. But all you need to do is download RStudio's main product, which is RStudio. To do that, simply click on this icon, Products, and then RStudio. You want the RStudio desktop. An important point to note is that just like R is free, RStudio is also free. Click Download RStudio Desktop. And while there are several versions, you simply want to download the free version. And just like how R gave you several different options for downloading based on what operating system you have, RStudio gives you a similar set of options. Here I'm going to download the version for Mac OS X because I'm running a Mac. When you install RStudio, you should see a screen like this with 3 or 4 panes. In future lessons, I'm going to explain what each of these panes does. But for now, just know that if you can get to a screen that looks like this, you've completed the installation of RStudio correctly.